Greetings of the day. Myself, Ratish Palakuri, working with Kusujanti College, Autonomous, Bangalore. This video is exclusively to give an idea about Director General of Civil Aviation India. We call it as Dgca. Let us see what is Dgca, why this organization, and what basically they are doing with. Director General of Civil Aviation is the apex body in India taking care or coordinating the entire civil aviation aspects. It is responsible for the uh, air traffic or air service within India. Dgca coordinates air traffic and other air related aspects with the international body IATA and assuring smooth functioning of air traffic within the nation as per the guidelines, rules, regulations framed by IATA. Let's see, this is the um, you know organizational structure of DGCA. Director General of Civil Aviation is heading the organization. Joint Director General, three numbers. Deputies are assigned with different designations: Airworthiness Directorate, Air Transport Directorate, Flying Crew Training and Licensing Directorate, Aerodrome Standards Directorate, again functioning under DGCA. Air Safety Directorate is exclusively taking care of the safety aspects. Regulation and Information Directorate, Research and Development R&D Directorate also functioning under DGCA. Also, representative of on the Indian Council of ICAO, Indian Civil Aviation Organization, is another part, which is again part of Indian Civil Aviation Organization. Chief Flight Operations Inspector is also functioning, and under that particular department, Flight Inspection Directorate is again constituted for the coordination of various activities. Finally, Director Finance and Administration is taking care financial related aspects of DGCA. So generally, this is coordinate various aspects, allied aspects, which are essential for the coordination of air traffic, air service activities within the country. Let's see what are the major responsibilities of DGCA, Director General of Civil Aviation. At a glance, when you look at registration of civil aircraft, formulation of standard airworthiness and civil aircraft registered in India, and grant of certificate of airworthiness to such aircraft, again another responsibility. Licensing, training, and aircraft maintenance engineers, flight engineers, training also taken care by DGCA. Examination also conducted by them. Then licensing air traffic controllers, ATC, again another responsibility. Then the certification of aerodromes and its quality service, again another responsibility. Even the helipads and all, this is again responsibility of DGCA to get it certified. And here in India, the primary responsibility is to give permission for operators, both private, in the sense private operators, both domestic and international, because the government or the military aviation is other side. We are not going to discuss about that anyway. The private sector or other transportation sector is, or commercial air transportation, again permission is given by DGCA. Conducting investigation, if at all any investigation is necessary, any accident or a kind of things have happened, or even to prevent such kind of activities, prior to uh, uh, such a case or predicted cases, investigation was all done by DGCA only. Carrying out amendments regarding various rules, regulations already framed by our government, our parliament. So if at all any changes required, it will be again suggested by DGCA only. Coordination, national level, that flexi of airspace by civil and military agencies, allocation of airspace um, for the smooth conducting of air traffic in the sky, again is the responsibility of DGC. Then again, the noise and engine emission related issues, again DGCA is responsible that. Promoting indigenous design of manufacturing aircraft, it always, when you look at the the pattern, structure, colors, this is all, when you look at this is again in par with our diversity of culture. It is always looking after, taking care by DGCA. So generally, DGCA is responsible for the entire air traffic and its coordination within the country, in par with the rules and regulations framed by IATA. As you know, IATA is the apex body, non-governmental organization responsible for the uh, conduct of air traffic throughout the world. And we are also a member nation in IATA. And on behalf of IATA, DGCA is taking care the various things which has to be implemented in our nation. It's a responsibility of, again, DGCA. Hope you've got a basic idea about DGCA, Director General of Civil Aviation. So we have an exclusive minister for that in the central government, and probably I may come up with more video in connection with the DGCA in future. Thank you very much. Thank you.